1 feet. So this is 5 feet. I have 5 feet here. So what am I supposed to do? Just times 5 times 30.48 centimeter. You get total answer via that. So this is 10 feet. I have 10 feet here. Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. So you're welcome back once again to our page at Sholex Farms, where we rear catfish commercially for food consumption. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to calculate the total volume of your water, how to know the exact quantity of water contained in your catfish pond. You know, over time, so many people have asked me these questions. How do I know the total volume of water in my pond so as to calculate the proper stocking density for their fish pond? So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys that. So do well to watch this video to the end, because you will gain something meaningful from this video. So generally, we all know that the sellers of our pond will tell us that our ponds come in so feet. They make use of feet, not a centimeter. So how do we convert our feet to centimeter? Because we make use of our centimeter to get the total volume of our water. So this is 10 feet by 5 feet. This is one of our pond in our farm. This is 10 feet by 5 feet. So it will take, this is the formula. It takes 30.40 centimeter to make 1 feet. 30.40 centimeter will make 1 feet. It's on Google, you can Google that. 30.48 centimeter will make 1 feet. So this is 5 feet. I have 5 feet here. So what am I supposed to do? Just times 5 times 30.48 centimeter. You get total answer via that. This is 10. This is 10 feet. So this is 10 feet as well. So what I'm supposed to do here also, 10 times 30.40 centimeter. Then we'll get a centimeter for 10 feet also. So let's go right to our board for better explanation. So join me. So as I was saying, 30.48 centimeter equals 1 feet, and we have 5 feet. That will be times 30.48 centimeter. That will be equals, this is 5 feet. So let me make use of my phone here. 30.48 times 5. That will be 152.4 centimeter. So that's that. Then we have 10 feet here also. 10 feet times 30.48 centimeter. That will be, you can follow me as a calculator so I won't make any mistake. 30 times 30.48. That's, this marker is 304.8 centimeter. So we have to calculate the height of our pond also. We have the width here. This is the width. So we have the length and the height. Generally, we all know that we can't fill the water to the brim. So here on our farm, we fill our water to 2.5 feet. So we'll be having 2.5 feet times 30.48 centimeter. So that will be 2.5 times 30.48. So that will be giving us 76.2 centimeter. So now we have the length, the width, and the height of our pond in centimeter. Now we can now go ahead and calculate the total volume of our water. So what is the formula for calculating the total volume of our water? So we have this is it. We have the length times width times height, give us the total volume of our water. So what are we supposed to do? We have 152.4 centimeter times 304.8 centimeter times 76.2 centimeter. So this will be giving us what? Let's calculate. So this will be giving us a total of 3,539,605. So in centimeter. So this is the total. This is the total of this. We have this. Also to calculate, to convert. So that will be in cube. Sorry, that will be in cube. I'm very sorry for this marker. So that will be in cube because we are making use of three numbers here. So this will come in cube. So we have 3,539,005 centimeter cube. So how do we convert this to liters? How do we convert this to liters? So this is the formula for converting it to liters. I'm making use of this formula. So 1 centimeter cube will give us 1 milliliter. This is the formula. While 1,000 milliliter will give us 1 liter. So this is the formula we're making use of. So after converting our centimeter cube to 1 mil, which will be 1,000 milliliters, so we'll be having 3,539,605 ml. So we'll be dividing it by 1,000 ml. You know, we've converted this to ml, making use of this formula. So we have this in mil, and that we'll be dividing it by 1,000 ml. So this will be giving us 3,500 and, very sorry for this marker, 3,539. So let's approximate it. So 3,540 liters of water. So our total volume of water will be 3,540 liters of water. So in our pond of 10 feet by 5 feet and 2.5 feet water are filled in our pond, we'll be having 3,540 liters of water in total quantity. So this will be our final answer. So that's the fastest means, and that's the fastest way of calculating the total volume of your water in your pond. So in case you don't understand this video, you can do well to watch this video over and over again. You can watch it multiple times. So I've done a video on how to convert this to your stocking density to know the numbers of fish that you are being required to stock in your fish pond. So if you've not watched that video, you can check my profile for that video to check how to calculate your stocking density using the total volume of your water in your pond. So that will be that for today. I believe you've gotten value from this video. So thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.